Hello to all my friends. Welcome back to my channel. Or better yet, let's call it your channel. Today, I am going to talk to you in great detail about exactly how many liters of engine oil a 1.2-liter Hyundai i10 vehicle actually needs for a full service. If you have a 1.2-liter Hyundai i10, the oil capacity changes slightly depending on the generation, but in most cases, it stays pretty much the same. The first generation Hyundai i10 1.2 from the years 2008 to 2013 uses approximately 3 liters of oil without changing the filter. And when the second generation finally arrived on the scene, spanning from 2014 all the way to 2019 with the 1.2-liter Kappa series engine, the total amount basically didn't change at all, staying very close to around 3.0 to 3.3 liters if you are measuring without the filter. Moving forward to the subsequent models, the third generation Hyundai i10s produced from the years 2020 to 2026 maintained a very consistent oil capacity requirement. For a standard oil change service, these vehicles typically require a volume of approximately 3.0 liters of engine oil, specifically when the oil filter is not being replaced at that time.